Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope we're having a lovely evening. I want to say thank you very much to everybody who came out to the small get-together that we had at Wanderlust Wine Company to celebrate 10 years on YouTube. Yes, today is my 10-year anniversary of the first video I posted on the platform, and it was a pleasure and an honor to meet all of the people that made the time to come out. So today I'd like to just give you your standard daily reminder that when a company tries to take away your right of ownership by claiming to protect your safety or your security, that they are full of shit. Do any of you remember a few years ago when Toyota, General Motors, Ford, Honda, and Nissan released ads like this implying that your independent mechanic is a rapist? I do. And if you don't remember this because they deleted all these ads from across the internet, well, it's a good thing I archived them on my YouTube channel. Let's watch, get a refresher.
If Question 1 passes in Massachusetts, anyone could access the most personal data stored in your vehicle. Domestic violence advocates say a sexual predator could use the data to stalk their victims, pinpoint exactly where you are, whether you are alone, even take control of your vehicle. Vote no on 1. Keep your data safe.
Now, we smack Tesla a lot on this channel, and I enjoy doing so, but let's be real here. Most other automotive manufacturers are just as happy to try and take away your right to ownership and take away your right to the data that your vehicle collects on you, data that eventually is going to be necessary to be able to access by your mechanics so that they can fix your vehicle, as more stuff in your car is computerized with each passing year. Which is why I think it's very important to point out that one of the top companies that put in $4.5 million into the creation of these piece of shit ads trying to convince people that their mechanic is a rapist was involved in a data leak, and we are going to read about that today. So this is from Bleeping Computer, and it says Toyota discloses data leak after access key exposed on GitHub. Toyota Motor Corporation is warning that customers' personal information may have been exposed after an access key was publicly available on GitHub for almost 5 years. That's right. Toyota T-Connect is the automaker's official connectivity app that allows owners of Toyota cars to link their smartphone with the vehicle's infotainment system for phone calls, music, navigation, notifications, integration, driving data, engine status, fuel consumption, and more. Toyota discovered recently that a portion of the T-Connect site source code was mistakenly published on GitHub and contained an access key to the data server that stored customer email addresses and management numbers that made it possible for an unauthorized third party to access details of 296,019 customers between December 2017 and September 15, 2022, when access to the GitHub repository was restricted. This is a really important point to drive home, because very often, rather than address the actual issues, they'll say that right to repair is a security concern. If you have the ability to fix your own product, or if you allow Lewis to be able to get access to a charging chip, or your mechanic to be able to actually connect to the computer in your car so that he can access error codes and be able to fix shit, that's a security concern. That's a data leak. Vote no on Question 1. Keep your data safe. Something important to know is that for 3 full fucking years before Question 1 existed, this company had a data leak that allowed anybody that went to this public GitHub to be able to get access to your personal data. Whether it is Toyota doing this, whether it is Samsung claiming that we are going to put TikTok on people's phones and then actually pre-installing TikTok on people's phones, or Apple talking about safety and security for years while they knowingly had a technician upload a customer sex tape to that customer's Facebook account when their phone was in for repair. These companies are routinely happy to fearmonger based on your data safety and security, when in reality, when's the last time that you had a data leak or a data breach as a result of your independent mechanic? When's the last time that your neighborhood iPhone repair shop took your sex tape, uploaded it to Facebook on your own fucking account so it looked like you did it? When's the last time that your local computer repair shop pre-installed TikTok on your device? These are issues that stem from the manufacturer and their authorized service centers, and they are more than happy to fearmonger and use that as an excuse to the point of implying that you are going to be beaten in a parking lot with scary string music playing.
Question 1 passes in Massachusetts. Anyone could access the most personal data stored in your vehicle.
Personal data stored in your vehicle. Do you want that to happen to you? Maybe. If you don't want that to happen, your worry is not the independent repair shop. It's the manufacturer. That's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something.